Hello, today is April 6th of our official stay-at-home orders. And I miss crabbing season. And it's been pretty non-eventful, but today we have something we're kind of excited about that's going to be a little eventful. So real estate, what's happening with Larry and Connie with Windermere Real Estate? Well, we have an appraisal this morning that's happening, and I'm sure it's going to turn out just fine. So we're excited about that. And what I wanted to talk about today that's going to be happening, it all centers around law of attraction. So if you're positive things happen. If you're thinking about cooking with fresh basil, all of a sudden basil plants start popping up everywhere. Hey, that one I'm pretty happy about. Larry and I had been thinking about what can we do to help out everything that's going on in the world today with COVID-19. How can we help? What can we do? Our neighbor Erin saw that Larry had been doing some 3D printing. So she posted on his Facebook page a little article about a young Boy Scout who has been doing 3D printing for the medical industry. And she shared that with Larry to see how he could help out. And guess what? I'll let him share for you. Larry, you look busy. What you doing?
Well, my neighbor next door, Aaron, sent me a Facebook post, asked me if I could look what was going on, what this young lad was doing. It's these. Look at this. These are going to be apparently used in the hospital with the N95 mask, and you hook the mask around these little tabs, and you can adjust it to the tension and size of your head. Puts on here, and then the mask band goes around to the other side, and the whole purpose is so that your ears don't get irritated after time. I'm going to take these over to the neighbors and give them to her so she can give them to the right people at the hospital. Bye.
There's Larry's 3D printer busy making some kind of a strap for the back of the masks. And we're going to have a special guest.
Go. Thank you so much. Our nurses are going to love this.
That's excellent.
How are you going to use them?
With the masks, definitely. Everybody's ears are so raw. Yes, this is amazing.
Good.
I can't believe people are doing work like this.
I know.
Care workers, honestly, it is godsend.
Well, if you need more, let us know and Larry will get busy.
I will.
If you have a 3D printer and you'd like to help out, go to thingiverse.com and type in part 4249113 and you can make your own straps. Here's my project for today. This teak ice chest that we have, and we're going to get it all sanded up and looking beautiful in teak oil. Here's one more of Larry's boat stuff organizational projects. Well, that's all today in the life of Larry and Connie with Windermere Real Estate. So you guys have a great evening, and we'll see you soon.